Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese roti at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix these in a bowl. Slowly add about 3/4 cup of water, kneading until a soft dough forms. Continue kneading for 5 to 7 minutes to achieve a smooth texture. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. This makes it easier to roll. Now let's prepare the delicious cheese filling. You'll need about 1 cup of grated cheese. Mozzarella or cheddar works wonderfully. To enhance the flavor, add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a small pinch of chili flakes. Gently mix these ingredients together in a bowl. This simple yet flavorful filling is the heart of our cheese roti, promising a delightful burst of taste in every bite. It's time to assemble our rotis. Divide your dough into 8 equal portions, rolling each into a smooth ball. Take 1 ball, flatten it slightly, and place about 2 tablespoons of your cheese filling in the center. Carefully bring the edges together to seal the filling inside. Now, gently roll the filled dough into a 6-inch diameter circle, aiming for about 1/8 inch thickness. Finally, let's cook these delicious rotis. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Place a rolled roti on the griddle and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. You'll see golden brown spots appearing. Apply about 1/2 teaspoon of oil or ghee to each side as it cooks for that perfect crispy texture. Serve your hot cheese rotis immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.